All right, what is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon Coyne tuning back in. I actually just got back into the country, so this is going to be my last pre-recorded video for the 10 p.m. Live stream slot. And after Christmas, we should be back to the normal Monday through Friday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But if you're new to the channel and you just clicked on this video, yes, we are taking a look at a $10 mystery box graphics card from Vision Tech. Let's pull that up. Oh, and by the way, I got my Christmas spirit on. Got my snowman shirt that I actually made it. It's like out of felt because we were like, I don't know, a little family thing. We were like, make your own Christmas thing. So I got simple and put a top hat on a snowman. Nothing crazy. Anyway, let's get on to the actual graphics card. Where are we at? Boom. So at visiontech.com, you go to their hot deals section. Down here, hot deals, and then they got some mystery boxes. The $10 one is now out of stock. I have a video where I'd open their $5 mystery box graphics card, so I was like, heck, I'll order the $10 one too and see how that turns out. The $5 one was right here. We opened that up. I think it was like a Radeon 1550X. Really cool looking card. Cool big copper air cooler on it. And now here is the $10 mystery box graphics card. So let's pop it open. Let's put it back on the big camera. Let's pop it open, guys. It's a little card. I was hoping for something bigger than that. So, boom. What we got? We have a Sparkle. Little tiny card. It's got a DVI, HDMI, and a VGA out. It's a low profile with the full bracket, and it's a GT520 1 gig. Very interesting. Here, let me hold that up there and see if the camera will focus on it. If I'm not all too shaky. Nope, it's not going to focus for us today, guys. There it is. PCIe 1024 GT520. Okay, so right off the bat, this is a Sparkle. This is supposed to be Vision Tech. What's weird is Vision Tech primarily only made AMD Radeon cards. I didn't really know that they ever made any GeForce NVIDIA cards. Obviously this isn't any powerhouse by any means. This is basically just a basic display card. This is obviously newer than the last card we got from them in the $5 box, so maybe they kind of sorted up by like newer cards in the $10 box, older cards in the $5 box. They had a $20 box, but I wasn't able to snag one of those before they went out of stock, and I guess they only do it during the holiday season, so maybe we can snag one next year. But this 520 right off the bat, some people were asking what the 1550 would mine. That was the other card. Basically, it won't. I mean, like I could probably get it to mine something, but it's not really gonna mine much of anything. Maybe like I could get it on Monero or something, but maybe I'll do that for a video just to see how bad it is, and also this one too. Just why not? But this actually, I'm thinking of some applications. This could be used. I could take this bracket off and use this in a low profile build if I was going to do like a little home computer kind of theater setup. But I don't know what kind of horsepower this has got. So let's bring the screen up here and let me just do a quick search for this SKU. It is a GT520 Sparkle GT520. Oh, okay, here it's on Newegg. It's a Fermi architecture, 1 gig. It's a DDR3 card, so it's not a DDR5 card. That dates it quite a bit right there. Mine looks a little different. Maybe a different cooler iteration, but yeah, there it is. Okay. Same exact card, so it's got 810 megahertz on the core clock, shader clock's at 1620, 48 CUDA cores. Wow, 40. It's got 48 whopping CUDA cores on here, guys. That is like nothing. It's cool though. It's cool. Memory size 1 gig, 64-bit memory interface at DDR3 speed. So she's slow. It'll do 2560 by 1600. So I mean, it'll in theory you could do 1920 by 1080. In theory, that would also be interesting. Single fan cooler, no SLI support. That 1 gig of VRAM is actually odd to see on this old of a card. Normally I thought these would be in like the 512 range, but you know, can't complain with that. So with that being said, guys, if you want to see some more like graphics card in-depth kind of playthroughs, I could pop this in, see what it would do mining, see what it would do on some video games, just see how bad it actually is, and you know, never know, it might surprise us. So if you do want that kind of stuff, comment down below, let me know. A lot of people are like, oh my god, you know, you keep buying graphics cards, why do you do that? And the thing is, I actually, mining and all this computer hardware is more than just a money maker for me. Obviously right now we're not making any money, but it's a hobby of mine. I really do enjoy it. And actually right here to my side, just for comparison, I have a GT640. So this is a small card, but look how small this 520 is in comparison to it. So I mean, that 520 is tiny, tiny little card. But yeah, so I just like the tech, you know what I mean? And maybe it could make for some decent content too. So if you have any kind of ideas, let me know. I am planning a Windows XP build. I talked about that in my last setup, or my last unboxing, a mystery box kind of deal. I absolutely want to build me a Windows XP computer, just because why not? Because, you know, at this point in my life, you know, I can afford to do it. Back when I was like in high school and stuff, I didn't have the funds, didn't have the availability to get the parts. My dog has something stuck to it back there. I don't know what's going on with that, but I just want to wrap this video up. I'm going on and on about nonsense. Guys and gals, ladies and gentlemen, I hope everybody has a great Christmas. It looks like Santa Claus should be rolling through in the next few hours. Enjoy it. Spend time with the family. Enjoy the family. You know, just don't take this time for granted. Have a good one, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to, you know, drop that like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. You guys are awesome, and I will see you later. Peace. My little puppy over there. Hold on. Let me get her a pat. Hey, baby. Anybody that doesn't know, this is Jenny. My baby. My other baby. I got a lot of babies. Bye, guys.